Olga fled Kiev with her family after the war started, and like millions of other Ukrainians, they found safety outside their own country, first in Hungary and now in the Czech Republic. Olga is a professional tour guide in Kiev, but now finds herself a refugee in Prague. Olga's desire to show off her family's newly adopted city continues in the adventures of a Ukrainian refugee, the heart of Prague.
Cold outside, rain is falling. Tuesday morning, 6 a.m. Half asleep, I'll kiss your cheek, dear. Upset you have to leave again. Why not just lay here a little longer? I got no place I need to go. You know I think of you all day, dear. You're in my heart, just so you know. Wherever you go, wherever you've been, 'cause baby, forever and always, beside you I'll be. If you can't see where you're going, I'll be the torch that lights the way. And if tomorrow you don't remember, I'll tell you stories from yesterday. You don't feel safe, then darling, I'll hold you. I will keep you warm at night, 'cause I know many moons from right now. Oh, I'll still be holding you so tight. Wherever you go, wherever you've been, 'cause baby, forever and always, beside you I'll be. Oh, wherever you go, wherever you've been, 'cause baby, forever and always, beside you I'll be.
If we don't end war, war will end us. The first casualty of war is innocence.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and choose from over 250 music videos. Join our Facebook group or find us on Instagram or Twitter and see a new video postcard every day. Or click now on a video or playlist chosen specifically for you. Thanks for watching, we'll see you soon.